Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video we will see how to manage page layout in Salesforce. In previous video we have seen how to create different page layout and assign those page layout to the record types in Salesforce. I will give you a link in description box. I recommend you go through that and you will learn how to create different page layout and assign those page layout to the record types. Now in this video we will see how to manage those page layout. That means when we create the field on an object, that time is it placed in randomly. So let's check it on the org. So this is my home page and I will show you. So I have created custom app, bank CRM, and as I click on bank account and then as I open any record, here you will see here is no section and all fields are in a single column. So let's see when I create new fields where it will be placed. To create new field, click on gear icon, then setup, then click on object manager and here search for bank account. Click on bank account, then fields and relationship. Now here I am creating field for a remaining balance. Remaining balance, that means it field will be currency. Then click on next button. Then remaining balance. The field name will automatically populate. And then click on next button. Then establish field level security. Here you need to select to which profile should visible this field. Then click on next button. And then here add to page layout. So in this object there is only one page layout and I am adding on it, and then click on save button. As I save this, navigate to the object, refresh the page. Sometimes in a Lightning it takes time to reflect the changes, so we will check on Salesforce Classic. Switch to Salesforce Classic, then open that record. Then here you can see the remaining balance placed at last. Again switch to Salesforce Lightning Experience. And now here what we can manage using page layout. So here you can see there is only one column. So I want this field in two columns, and then here you can see there are account details, that means account holder name, and there is also the bank details, account number, then opening balance, then account priority and bank name. As you can see here, this is a rough layout. Manage my account page layout like this. And to manage page layout, again we need to navigate to the bank account page layout. In a bank account object, you need to select page layouts. Then to create new page layout, here you can see new button, and here you can assign those page layout to different profiles. Then click on account layout. Now here you can see here is the first section. Now to create two columns, what you need to do, you need to click on this setting icon or section properties, click on it. In the layout section you need to select two columns, and then display section header on, you need to select details and edit page. The detail page means here you can see this is a detail page. This detail page show you record after you saved. And then the edit page, when you open any record in edit mode, this one is a edit mode or edit page. Now I want to apply this two column page layout to the both section. Then here you can see when you click the tab key, how it should goes. When you click on this, then it will like zigzag, and when you click on this, it will top to bottom. After that, click on OK button. On this information section, I want only those fields which system generated, that means created by and then last modify by. Now after that, I want to add section for personal information and then bank details. To add the section, what you need to do, here you can see in the fields you will see the section option. You need to drag this option and then drop to the next to information and before to the system information. And here you can also give name to the custom section. Here I am entering personal details and then click on OK button. As I click on it, now I can add fields in that section. Account holder name, then Aadhaar card, address, email, phone number. I will add another section to the bank details. Drag the section and drop to the next to the personal details. Enter name, bank details, then click on OK button. Now EMI due date will be bank details, then account type, then opening balance, then account number, account priority, then bank name, and then remaining balance. Now I will rearrange this: account type, account number, account priority, EMI due date, opening balance. Yeah, that's it. Now to save the changes, what you need to do, you need to click on save button. As you click on save button, it will be saved. Now to see the changes, navigate to the bank account, then click on the refresh button. Now here you can see information is a system generated section. Then we have created personal details and bank details. And these sections also collapsible. That means as you click on it, the details will be hide. And then again you click on it, it will be show. Now this one is for details. Now as I click on edit mode, here also you can see the changes we made in page layout is reflected over here. This is how we can manage or edit our page layouts. In this video we have seen how to edit page layout, how we can add sections in it, and then how we can arrange the fields as per our requirement. If you like the video, click the like button, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get regular updates. Thank you.